Welcome. Today in front of me DOOGEE S95 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize volume panels on this device with the Volume Styles app. So first we should get the application from the Play Store, and now just type here the Volume Styles, and we have to get this application, so tap to installing and wait a few seconds. Now just open the application, and here on the right upper corner tap to start. Tap on the switcher to OK, and now just tap here to the volume styles to enable. Yes, press allow, and now click yes, I agree. And as can you see, you can change your volume panel styles on the, for example, like Apple one. You can see the changes here. Also, for example, we can choose another one like the waves. As can you see, our volume styles has changed successfully. And if you want, also you can just turn it off just by tapping again on the here on the stop icon. So, and we get the original regular volume of your phone. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.